Today I want to show you how to tighten the chain on a homeowner's Husqvarna chainsaw. So I've historically been a steel chainsaw user. So I grew up running steel chainsaws, and in my tree service business that's what I used. So when I got this and the chain was off, I didn't quite know how to fix it. And if you look here, you can remove the bar and tighten the chain without tools with this thing here. At first when I was looking at it, I could not figure out how to tighten the chain. I saw this thing here and I figured if you move that, that would tighten the chain, but no matter how much I moved it, I couldn't do it. So eventually I figured it out, so I'm going to show you how this system works. To loosen the chain and remove the bar, you use this lever here. So you flip it up and it locks into place. So you just turn it counterclockwise and that loosens it up. Now once that's loose, you can use this lever here. So I'll show you this right here. And you move it down to tighten it and up to loosen it. So like right now I'm moving it up and that's loosening the chain. At first when I was trying to get this to work, that wasn't working and I couldn't figure it out. So I took this off and tried to figure it out. So this comes all the way off and then the cover pops off. You have to loosen the chain for the cover to come off. Okay, so now the cover's off. Let me show you why this at first wasn't working. So if you notice here, this thing turns. Well, that thing directly turns this, you see, how do we do that? This knob here. So that knob fits in this hole here. So when the knob moves, when you turn this, the knob moves, that actually pushes the bar out, which tightens the chain, or it pulls the bar in, which loosens the chain. And so on this chainsaw, when I got it, this knob wasn't lined up with that hole. So no matter what I did, obviously it wasn't going to work anything. So once I realized that, I loosened the knob up all the way, so brought the knob all the way in, and then I was able to arrange the bar on the saw to have that fit in. Let me show you what I did. With the bar all the way loose, you see how it's loose here? I visually lined up the knob with that hole. And got it to slide into place. So now that the knob is in the hole, turning this dial tightens the chain. So now when I push this down, notice how the chain's coming up, if you look here, and tightening. So now it's working because that knob is in the hole. Now we're good to go, and I can tighten it up to what I need to do. Okay? Put this on. You put this back on, you snug it up a little bit so that the cover doesn't come off. Tighten it to what you want. When you're tightening a chain, you want it to be snug all the way around, but still able to move this by hand. Probably a little tighter would be good. There. And now we're good to go. So to start this chainsaw, you're going to push this gas bulb 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to pull out the blue choke. Then you're going to pull it until you hear the engine turn over. So there it turned over. Push the choke in. You're good to go. Turn it off. Push this down. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see one of my sawmill videos, click up here. And if you want to see the homemade log arch I built, click down here. And I'll see you on the next video.